Hey there, what's up everybody? So quick update on the Nissan. It is pretty much finished. I did this one kind of quick, but the only thing I really left out was the detailing of it and the putting the front bumper and fender on. As you can see behind me are now on and ready to go. She's looking good. I actually did the first layer of polish. Got to go over it one more time. But today's video is actually, I've got to replace the driver's side door panel. It's got a crack in the speaker grill, and on these Nissans they're actually all one piece. So I figured I'd bring you guys along. We actually got to go to the junkyard, pick one up, and we'll bring her back. But let me show you the issue first real quick. Okay, here we are at the interior of the vehicle. And you can see it came out pretty nice. Pretty clean. Shampooed the seats pretty thoroughly. Actually took the seats out, vacuumed, shampooed, and everything. Whenever we do another car in the future, we might do a closer detail video, but for now, that's that. Anyhow, the issue is this door panel, the driver's side, has a big hole in it, and actually the speaker was no good also. So I was going to leave it like it is, but then I thought, you know what, if I decide to sell this vehicle, I probably should replace it just to make sure everything looks pretty good. So we're going to get on the road, and we're going to go get us a door panel. Alright guys, so it looks like we got about an hour drive. I got it in the GPS. So we're going to go ahead and get on the road and take this road trip, and hopefully the door panel is sitting right out front of the salvage yard like they told me it was going to be. If not, we're going to have a problem. But anyway, let's get on the road and see what we find out. And we are out of gas, so stopping real quick, grabbing some gas. Alrighty guys, we should be almost right here. Just driving up to it now, out in the middle of nowhere, as salvage or junkyard usually are, I suppose. And I believe this is it right here. Pull in. Yep, here we are, and I can see the door panel. Looks perfect, guys. It looks great. There, you guys can see a little bit better, but speaker grill looks good. Door handle there. Switches aren't included, but that's fine. Yep, looks great. And guys, this is Patterson's Auto Wrecking in Cochran 10 PA. I gotta tell you what, I am a big fan. I never even talked to a physical person. I actually just used their online chat feature, said, hey, I need this particular door panel. They were like, cool. They're only open 8 to 5, so I said, hey, you know, I work. It's gonna be tough to get there. They said, no problem. Paid for it online. I said, can you leave it out front for me? They said, no problem. And there we go. So perfect. They will ship parts too, so if you're on like carpart.com or something and you see they have something you need, they will ship it too, so no worries there. So let's get on home. Alright guys, I made it back. Door panel looks great. A little dark out tonight, a little late to be putting it in, so probably tomorrow or the next day we'll shoot the video of going ahead and installing it. But yeah, so we'll see you guys then. Okay guys, so let's go ahead and get to it here with the door panel and speaker replacement. So I already have this pretty loose, and basically it's real easy. I just wanted to show you how to take it off. So there's a little plastic cover up at the top there, looks like this. So you just pop that out, and then you have one screw here, and I believe they're all Phillips, so it's real easy. One screw here. Pop out the switches, which is just, again, you just take a little screwdriver and pry it up and it pops out. Unplug the plugs. Then there's one screw right there, and then also a Phillips, and then you pop this trim panel off. Same thing, flathead screwdriver, real easy. And there's one Phillips straight back there, as you can see. And then that's it. And then there's just like little pop-ins all the way around. So pop those out, and then the door comes right off. I just have it hanging there, so I'm going to lift it off. Okay, so another thing to mention, there's a cable that connects into the door handle, and there's two parts to it. One goes here, and then one goes up in the top here. See if I can find it. Right in there. And then at the bottom there's actually a little light that has a cord that plugs into it. You have to feed it through, and plugs in right there. So but anyways, here is where the speaker goes. So I'm going to try and set you guys up while I go ahead and pop that in. Okay, so what I did was, before I actually screwed it in, I just kind of took my hand and went around and made sure the little pop-ins were lined up, and just kind of gave it a little bit of a light smack all the way around. Just lights in. Just kind of gave it, make sure all the snap-ins caught and were in the right holes. Just to line everything up, and now everything's solid. And then I went ahead and put in the 1, 2, and then 3 right behind that cover that I just put in. So now it's a matter of just putting this back in here, connecting up the wires to it, and snapping this trim piece back on like that. So we'll go ahead and do that, and then we'll be back. And that is a wrap, everyone. Got the trim piece back on, switches in, they all work. Got the cover on up here. And we have us a brand new, can't even tell there was an issue, driver's side door panel. This pretty much completes the Nissan. I'm just gonna wax it. We're gonna, a little bit of touch-up paint here and there, and what else do we have left? I think that is about it. And she's ready for the road. So go ahead and comment down below. Let me know what you thought of this video. Like or dislike. Let me know if you enjoyed the content. And stay safe out there, everybody. We'll talk to you in the next video.